Hello guys, my name is Hugo Tribo. I want to tell you about laptop is a one important thing in our life for our study or work. But sometimes we forget to carry it and clean it. So in this moment I will tell you how to clean a laptop with simple way. First, prepare the right cleaning supplies for your laptop, like a compressor air and microfiber cloth. Don't forget to turn off the laptop and remove the battery. Remove anything that is connected or processing from your laptop, like a USB mouse or CD. Second, you can simply clean the keyboard with a compressed air. Clean out the part along the side and the battery place with compressed air again. Third, use a special cleaning solution to clean your screen. Apply some on the microfiber cloth and gently wave it over the screen and let the laptop dry, and then you can use it again. Yeah, that's now for my tips. See you and bye.